Okay, so now that we've removed the cover and determined that we have a 4-pin FICM, it's time to test it and see if we're getting good voltage to it. In order to do that, we're going to measure on the pin closest to the driver's side. We want to get a multimeter. We're going to set it to volts DC and hook your ground to the ground on the battery. You're going to use your positive lead to check for voltage at that pin. You're going to need an assistant to turn the key on inside the truck. But what you're going to do is you're going to touch this 4th pin, being very careful not to touch the case of the FICM because that'll cause a short. You don't want to touch any of the other pins either. So just go ahead and touch that pin and then have your assistant turn the key on. Then you want to measure our voltage, which is showing 48.5 roughly. I always like to give another shot as well, just to double check it. Go ahead and turn it back on. Still getting a little over 48 volts. So this one's checking out just fine. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the cover removed, exposing the pins on this one, and this one happens to be a 7-pin. I'm going to show you how to test for voltage on the 7-pin version. So when measuring for voltage here, you want to be very careful not to touch the case while you're touching this pin or touch any other pins while you're touching it. Go ahead and set your probe on the pin, and you're going to need an assistant to turn the key on. See, this one went to 47.6. Still within the manufacturer specification. This one is a decent FICM.